Hello friends, good afternoon. Are you happy today? Do you want to learn the speaking good English? If you honestly want to learn the speaking good English, then first of all, you should determine that unless we become able to speak perfect English, we will keep our practice continue. We will not be discontinue our practice. If you determine these points in your mind, no one can create any hurdle in your way of success of learning English. No one can create any hurdle in your way of success. By the grace of Almighty, one day you will be able to speak perfect English. So without any further delay, let me come on the point. Many people say that for learning the English, speaking good English, grammar is not essential. Yes, I agree. I partially agree with them, but without atmosphere of the English, without environment of English, you cannot learn the English language without basic knowledge of the grammar. If you have environment, atmosphere of the English, then you can learn this language by listening. But without atmosphere and without having basic knowledge of the grammar, it is more difficult for a person to learn the speaking good English. So, please let me come on the point. First of all, you should be able to know about the tenses. Basic knowledge of the tense you must have. And be verb sentence, how to make the be verb sentence. Basic knowledge, the helping verb and subject and object, you should basic knowledge. I am not going to tell something about detailed knowledge about the grammar, but basic knowledge is, I think, very essential for being able to speak perfect English. That is why you always try to learn the grammar, and then you should have enough knowledge about the modals. Modals knowledge is also more essential. Unless you have basic knowledge about the grammar and modals knowledge, you cannot make even a single sentence. So I think if you have enough knowledge about the grammar, then you can learn the English language. So English, as far as the English language is concerned, it is a long time process. It cannot be learned in the limited time. If you honestly want to learn this language, then you will have to patience, and you have to become an integral part of your life. English, you will have to make English an integral part of your life. You have to habitual to speak in English in your routine life. Whatever you speak in your mother tongue, the same thing you try to speak in the English language. You don't worry about making the mistake. Everyone makes the mistake. English is not our mother tongue. It is second language for us. So everyone makes the mistake in the initial stage, and always be confident, and you think in your mind that when other person can learn, other person can become able to speak perfect English, why can't I become able to speak perfect English? Your willpower must be strong, and always be confident, and you don't worry about the people, and you don't feel that when I speak wrong English, people will make fun of me. You don't worry about the people. You let them make the fun about you. So, what is your goal? What is your target? What is your aim? Your aim is being able to speak good English. Unless you become able to speak good English, you have to continue your speaking practice. Everything happens gradually. It doesn't happen all of a sudden. There is no magic. There is no magic to learn the speaking good English. So it is my suggestion. Please don't be late and come and start your speaking practice. It doesn't happen in a day, but it will happen one day. If you honestly want to achieve something new in your life, then you will have to work hard. There is no shortcut of success in this world. Pluck up courage, success will kiss your feet. If all the powers do their work in the same direction, the success will bound to fall in your feet. So please always think positive, always keep your study continue. Gradually your knowledge will increase and one day you will able to speak perfect English. Being able to speak good English is need of ours at this time. If you have enough knowledge about the other subject but except English and you don't have enough knowledge about the grammar, your knowledge will be, I think, I am not going to criticize the person who are having enough knowledge about the other subject except English. Please don't take it otherwise. English is more essential at this time. In your routine life, in your social life, your mother tongue is enough. But in your professional life, English is more essential. Your mother tongue is not enough in your professional life. In your professional life, English is more essential, because without English you cannot achieve whatever you want. So I think if you honestly want to look different among the crowd, then you will have to create something different than other person. If you are having specific qualities in your personality, you can achieve whatever you want. So please, there must be some tips for learning the speaking good English. If you honestly want to become able to speak perfect English, then you will have to follow the 4 points formula. What is the 4 point formula? LSRW. L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, W for writing. If you do 4 tasks regularly, by the grace of Almighty, very soon you will be able to speak perfect English. But please pay your full concentration and don't waste your time without any missing any single day. If you do this task regularly, I am giving a challenge that within 6 months you will able to speak fluent English. But please don't make any gap. You have to do all things continue. There is no success, there is no shortcut of success in this world. No pain, no gain. Pluck up courage, success will kiss your feet. You must follow this formula, and one day by the grace of Almighty, very soon you will able to speak perfect English. So please, thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my video. I am also a learner. If I make any mistake in my making video, please forgive me and please motivate me. Please increase my courage. With your subscribe, my courage will increase and I will be more confident, and this video will be more useful for you. And please always help such type of people who want to learn the speaking good English. Be courageous always. Don't feel inferiority complex. Always think positive. Always think that I can learn this language very soon. So I think it's enough for today. We will meet in another video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in another video.